Let this is the ring having charge q on it, and radius of ring is let small r. This is your capital R. Let this is the radius of the ring, and this distance is your let r, and this is axial distance. At P we are going to find the electric potential. Let here this is dq charge on it. This is small element on ring, so this is dq, and due to dq here electric potential at P will be here. This distance is, using Pythagoras theorem you can write r square plus r square root under, using Pythagoras theorem. That means you can write dV due to this small dq is dV 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is dq divided by r square plus r square root under. Now integrate both sides, you will get dV integration, and this is here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, this is constant, and this term is also constant, r square plus r square, that means here dq. Now the integration of dV is v, and here this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and root under r square plus r square, and dq integration is here q. That means potential is here v equals q by 4 pi epsilon naught root under r square plus small r square. Here if r is very small, that means r is here at center. If r is at center, r is equal to 0, that implies P lies at center. The P center पे lie करेगा, that means here r will be omitted, तो इसको हम हटा सकते हैं. In that case your formula will be v equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is q by r. This is the formula of electric potential at the center of ring. V is equals to q by 4 pi epsilon naught root under r square plus r square, and here this is the graph between potential and this r. If r equals to 0, that means here r equals to 0, that means this formula will be v equals to here q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be r. That means v will be maximum. V max is equal to here q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. And if r is increasing, that means potential will decrease. Potential will decrease like this. Potential will decrease like this. In both sides, if r is increasing, either left or right, you will get potential is decreasing. V will be maximum at center if r is equals to 0. This is the graph between potential, and this is r, that means axial distance from the ring. Now let us see, this is the disc, and this is point P on the axis of this disc. And let us find the electric potential at any point P at a distance x on the uniformly charged circular disc having surface charge density is sigma. Sigma is surface charge density. This is surface charge density. Let us divide the disc into large number of thin circular ring. Thin circular ring. Let this is thin circular ring, and its radius is your r, and this gap is your dr, and this distance is x. Now consider the strip of radius r. This is radius r, and width is dr. Each point of the strip can be assumed to be equal distance, your equal distance from P, and this distance is equal to r square plus x square. This distance. Potential at P due to this circular strip is equal to dV, and dV is equals to dq by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by root under r square plus x square. And what is dq? dq is a small amount of charge here. Here small amount of charge, and dq is equals to sigma into your area of this strip. That means this is dq is equals to sigma into area of strip, and here dq is equals to sigma into area of strip is here 2 pi r. इस अगर देखिए रिंग को हम अगर ओपन कर देते हैं, खोल देते हैं इस तरह से कट करके, तो you will get a rectangular strip. Rectangular strip, here width is dr and this length will be 2 pi r. That means this whole area, this area of a strip is equal to 2 pi r into dr. That means you can write 2 pi r into dr. This is your dq. Now you can put here this value. That means you will get dv is equals to dq sigma 2 pi r dr divided by 4 pi epsilon naught root under r square plus x square. Potential due to whole disk is potential due to whole disk is equal to the integration of all rings. Here radius r equals to 0 to r equals to r. V is equals to, this is 0 to r, and this is your sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and this is r dr root over r square plus x square. Now this term is constant. Constant को integration के हम बाहर रख देते हैं. That means you can write this is 2 sigma and this is 0 to r, and this is r dr divided by root over r square plus x square. Now using substitution you can find the integration of this function. Here let t is equals to r square plus x square. That means differentiation, after differentiation with respect to t, r dr dt, and this is constant, x is constant for this ring. Here r is changing from 0 to r, and here this x is constant. The differentiation of constant function is 0. The differentiation of constant function is 0, so you can write here dr is equal to dt by 2r, this term. Now you can substitute here. You will get v is equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and this is r your dt by 2r, and this is your root under t. And now integration, that means this is cancel out, and this is your 0 to r. 0 to r लिमिट हम लोग थोड़ी देर बाद पुट करते हैं, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं दिस इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रूट अंडर t. दिस इज t ऊपर चला जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा t to the power minus half, and this is dt. That means this will be t to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. That means this will be t to the power half by half. That means this term is equals to your sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and this is your root under t by 2. Now put the limit, and here value you will get this is sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and this is your t is what? T is r square plus x square, r square plus x square, and put the limit here. Now the potential due to whole disk is potential due to whole disk is equal to the integration of all rings. Here radius r equals to 0 to r equals to r. That means you have to integrate this term. Here 0 to, this is potential, integration of potential 0 to v, and here this is your, this term is sigma, and this term is your previous term is 2 epsilon naught, and this is your r dr root under, this is r dr root over r square plus x square, and we have to integrate this 0 to r, 0 to r. Now after integration you will get this value is equals to v is equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and this is r square plus x square root over minus this is equals to x. Now at the center of disk, that means this distance is x equals to 0. At the center x will be 0, that means this will be 0, this will be 0. Your potential yani V at center of disk is equal to your sigma by 2 epsilon naught r. Now special case 2, if x, that means this distance, if this distance is very large with respect to radius of this disk, that means you can write if x is very large with respect to radius, that means you can write using binomial theorem. Using binomial theorem you can write r square plus x square root over is equal to x plus 1 plus r square divided by x square to the power half, and this is approximately equal to x plus r square by 2x you can write. That means your potential will be V is equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and this is x plus r square by 2x minus x, and this term will be cancelled out. That means your final expression will be here sigma r square by 4 epsilon naught x, and sigma is here your charge density. Pi r square sigma is total charge on disk. You can write, to make this term numerator, इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, पाई से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, that means pi r square sigma is total charge on disk, and let this charge is q, that means this is 4 pi epsilon naught x. That means this is the potential at P if x is very far with respect to radius of this disk. Here we are going to find the electric field due to disk at a point on the axis. That means you can say electric field caused by disk of radius a. Let this is a disk having radius a. This radius is a, and this is axial point, and this point is P, and having distance x, and sigma is the charge density. Sigma is charge density. Charge density means charge per unit area at the point on the axis of a disk A, and distance x from the center. This is center, let this is O, and here let assume a ring in between the disk. This is ring, having radius of the ring is your let r. This is the radius of ring, and width of this ring is dr. Let dr is width of ring, and small r is radius of the ring. And a is your radius of disk. Now we can assume this charge distribution as a collection of concentric rings of the charges. That means first you have to find the area of this shaded region. Area of shaded region will be your 2 pi r dr, because अगर इस पोर्शन को हम कट करेंगे और इस रिंग को अगर हम कट कर दे ऐसे तो और इसको फ्लैट करें तो यू विल गेट अ रेक्टेंगल जिसका विड्थ कितना है, दिस इज dr, और इसका जो लेंथ होगा दिस इज 2 पाई R. That means your area of shaded portion, that means dA is equal to 2 pi R dr. And here dq is the charge on this shaded region, and dq is equals to your sigma into dA. Sigma is charge density and dA is your 2 pi R dr. That means value of dq is this one. That means your electric field along x-axis is dEx, and dEx is equals to, you can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into dq divided by your this distance, and this distance is equals to your, using Pythagoras theorem you can write this is r, and this one is your r square plus a square, r square plus sorry x square, and this is your whole square you can write, and this term is along your cos theta. So using cos theta you can write here. Now in the given figure here, this is r and this is theta, this is x. Cos theta will be base by hypotenuse, that means x by x square plus r square half. Here this is base, this is hypotenuse, this is base. dEx along x axis cos theta को हम यहाँ substitute करेंगे, this is cos theta, तो आपके पास ये आ गया, and after simplification you will get this. और उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इंटीग्रेट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन में आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना पड़ेगा. इंटीग्रेशन का अलग से आपका वीडियो है, उसमें आप देख सकते हैं कैसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं. तो इसको हम लोग देखेंगे कि इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद आपके पास ये टर्म आएगा और लिमिट पुट करने के बाद. एंड दिस टर्म, दिस इज ए स्क्वायर, दिस टर्म 1 बाई रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. दिस टर्म टेंड्स टू 0 बिकॉज ए इज वेरी लार्ज with respect to x. अगर चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हम लेते हैं कि it is very large, in that case this will be tending to 0. That means here your answer will be Ex, that means electric field will be your sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is the electric field. Potential on the edge of a disk. How will you find the potential on the edge of the disk? Let this is your disk and this is center. At point P we are going to find the potential. Let this is your ring, and this is ring of radius is your r. Radius of the ring is r. This is equidistance from P, equidistance from P, 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 P. क्योंकि यही आपको एलिमेंट लेना होगा, बाकी किसी भी एलिमेंट को लेने से आपका काम नहीं बनेगा. योर एलिमेंट शुड बी योर आर्क, एक आर्क लेना होगा हमको. एंड दिस इज योर, दिस एंगल इज लेट थीटा, ये एंगल हमारा क्या है, थीटा है. एंड दिस इज C, पॉइंट C, एंड दिस इज R, ये R हो गया आपके पास. नाउ दिस इज R, एंड जो बिगर साइज का जो रेडियस है वो उसको ले लेते हैं हम. इन दोनों के बीच के विड्थ को भी बोल सकते हैं, या फिर बिगर को बोलेंगे R प्लस dr, या फिर ये विड्थ जो है, दिस विड्थ इज योर विड्थ ऑफ द रिंग इज dr. dr width of ring. That means you can say here, this is your let arc length from here to here, let this arc length is L. That means you can say theta is equals to here L by R. This is theta equals to L by R from trigonometry. ये बेसिक ट्रिगोमेट्री है, 10th क्लास में आप पढ़े होंगे. थीटा इक्वल्स टू L by R. That means L equals to R theta. या फिर अगर ऐसे कंप्लीट को लेंगे, ये इतने पार्ट के लिए आया L. अगर ये टोटल हम L लेते हैं, लेट कंप्लीट सेक्शन इज L. अगर ये कंप्लीट L लेंगे हम, जिसको हम L से डिनोट कर रहे हैं, कैपिटल L, तो ये भी पार्ट आपका हो गया कितना, थीटा. दैट मीन्स यू कैन राइट 2 थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू L by R. दैट मीन्स L is equals to R into 2 theta. This is your arc length, and arc length into dr is your area. dA, that means small एरिया जो कि शेडेड है, दिस इज शेडेड पार्ट इज इक्वल्स टू योर लेंथ. इसको अगर कट करेंगे तो यू विल गेट अ रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप. रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप का जो एरिया होगा दैट इज L इंटू विड्थ. विड्थ इज योर हियर, विड्थ आपके पास है dr, दैट मीन्स दिस इज dr. और इस L को हम यहाँ कैपिटल L लिखे तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. दिस इज कैपिटल L. कैपिटल L बिगर को लिया हमने, तो कैपिटल L इक्वल्स टू, यू कैन राइट हियर L, दिस इज कैपिटल L, दिस इज कैपिटल L, दिस इज कैपिटल L. और ये हमने समझाने के लिए लिखा था आपको. एंड दिस इज कैपिटल L इक्वल्स टू L R, L equals R 2 theta. That means this is R 2 theta dr. This is your area, small area. And let charge density on your disk is sigma. Sigma is charge density. This is density. Now one more important part is here. Let this is R. ये आपके पास R है तो ये भी आपके पास हो गया R. This is also R. That means this whole length is your 2R. Whole length is 2R and angle on the circumference. Circumference पे जो angle बनेगा this is 90 degree. तो ये 90 degree हो गया. That means you can write and this is theta. तो ये theta हो गया, तो ये part जो हो गया आपका ये horizontal component है. That means you can write R is equals to 2R cos theta. This is 2R, 2 capital R cos theta you can write. That means after differentiation you will get dr is equals to, here this is 2r cos theta, the derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta and this is d theta. That means you can write dr is equals to minus negative of 2r and sin theta d theta. That means you can write here dA is equal to here r into 2 theta and dr is equals to minus 2r sin theta d theta. You can simplify is what is the limit of theta and what is the limit in terms of r. Here there are two variables theta and r. तो limit in terms of r. r देखिए r का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगा रिंग जब यहाँ पर होगा. रिंग जब यहाँ पर होगा तो r का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगा r इक्वल्स टू योर 2r. एंड रिंग जो सबसे करीब रिंग बनेगा, सबसे नजदीक, वो यहाँ पे बनेगा रिंग. वो यहाँ पे रिंग बनेगा तो ये लगभग आपके पास r जो हो जाएगा वो क्या होगा 0. r इक्वल्स टू योर 0. लिमिट विल बी r इक्वल्स टू 0. एंड लिमिट ऑफ थीटा. थीटा का लिमिट देखिए क्या होगा, जब यहाँ पर रिंग बनेगा जो सबसे छोटा रिंग, तो थीटा जो होगा वो कम होते जाएगा और थीटा मिनिमम होने के कारण ये वैल्यू जो हो जाएगा 0 के करीब चला जाएगा. दैट मीन्स थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. एंड जब यहां पर पहुंचेगा रिंग तो ये देखिए एग्जैक्टली इस तरह से शेप बनेगा और ये लगभग ये एंगल जो होगा वो थीटा जो होगा 90 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. 90 इधर से 90 इधर से. दैट मीन्स होल एंगल विल बी पाई बट थीटा इज योर पाई बाई 2. दैट मीन्स थीटा इज पाई बाई 2. थीटा को हम पाई बाई 2 लिख सकते हैं. नाउ डीवी जो हो गया स्मॉल जो रिंग है उस पे जो चार्ज है दैट चार्ज इज डी क्यू. उसके कारण जो पोटेंशियल है दैट पोटेंशियल डीवी इज इक्वल्स टू, यू कैन राइट 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, and this is your dq divided by your r. This is the your value. Now put dA here. That means you can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into dq. dq क्या हो गया sigma into dA by r. And here sigma is what? Charge density. That means you can write 1 by this is 4 pi epsilon naught into sigma and dA is equals to here this is 2 theta into r and you can write here r. That means minus and this is 2r sin theta d theta divided by your r cancel and this is 2 cancel, this is 4 cancel. That means the whole term will be your dV is equals to negative of sigma, this is 2r theta sin theta d theta sin theta d theta divided by your 2 pi epsilon naught. This is the value. Now after cancellation you will get, this is 2 cancel, and now you can integrate this term, and here limit will be, lower limit will be your pi by 2 and this is your 0. If you are removing this negative sign, then limit will interchange. That means you can write here 0 to pi by 2, and this is constant, sigma is constant, pi epsilon naught is constant, and r is constant. This term is constant here, and dv integration is v, and here this is theta sin theta d theta. Here you have to apply product rule, and after using प्रोडक्ट रूल, ये प्रोडक्ट रूल आप यूज करेंगे यहाँ पर. प्रोडक्ट रूल के बाद ये जो एक्सप्रेशन आएगा, दिस विल बी योर 1. दैट मीन्स फाइनली v इज इक्वल्स टू योर, v इज इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा r डिवाइडेड बाय पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इज द पोटेंशियल at the edge of disk. We see that potential at the center of the disk is greater than the potential at the edge. Here question is, find out the point on the line joining two charges plus q and minus q kept at a distance of 1 meter where electric potential is 0. For this type of question here, let diagram is, this is here positive charge, that means plus q, and this point is here, let A, and this is here negative, that means minus 3q charge, minus 3q, and this point is B, and distance is here 1 meter. That means you can say here, let P be the point on the axis, let this is P in first figure, and in second figure this is again minus 3q charge, this is point B, this is point A, this is plus q, and this is 1 meter. Let P be the point on the axis either to the left or to the right of the charge plus q at a distance r where potential is 0. Here let this distance is r, and here let this distance is r. Here this is r, then this will be 1 minus r, and this whole distance will be your, this is 1 plus r. Now here potential due to P, then let this point is P here, here potential in first figure you can write Vp in first case is equal to Vp, and this is equal to q by, this is for positive charge, q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, this is 1 by r. This is the potential due to your positive charge, and here potential due to negative charge will be here potential due to negative charge, that means Vp, and due to negative charge, due to negative charge is equal to minus 3q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this distance will be your 1 plus r. Negative charge से distance देखिए 1 plus r है, that means you can write this is 1 plus r. That means here sum of potential is 0, that means equation 1 plus equation 2 sum is 0. That means you can write q by 4 pi epsilon naught r minus 3q by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking common, you will get common, this is 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be 1 by r minus 3 by r plus 1, and this equal to 0. Taking LCM, you will get r r plus 1 and this is r plus 1 minus 3r is equal to 0. That means this is minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 0, and this will be here r is equals to minus 1, that means this is 1 by 2, that means 0.5 meter. That means 0.5 meter, the potential will be 0 at P on the axis, which is 0.5 to the left. And for second case, अब second case के लिए हम लोग देखते हैं, ये तो इस केस के लिए लिख रहा है. For second case, now for second case here P will be at this point here. That means potential due to positive charge and sum of potential due to negative charge is again 0. So you can write here Vp, that means potential due to first charge. First charge is your positive charge. This is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R. This is. And here potential due to negative charge, this is minus, this is 3Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by 1 minus R. You can write. And this is equal to 0. Again taking common, this part is common here. So यहाँ देखते हैं हम लोग, this is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. That means you can write 1 by R minus 3 by 1 minus R is equal to 0. And this will be cancelled out. That means here this is R, 1 minus R is equal to here, this is 1 minus R minus 3R is equal to 0. This will be cancelled. That means this is 1 minus 4R is equal to 0. That means 4R equals to 1, R equals to 1 by 4. That means 0.25 meter. This is 0.25 meter right to the charge positive Q. पॉजिटिव Q के राइट साइड में हमको कितना जाना होगा, 0.25 मीटर, या फिर इसके लेफ्ट साइड जाना होगा तो 0.5 मीटर डिस्टेंस पे पोटेंशियल जो होगा 0 होगा. दैट मीन्स इफ योर चार्ज इज एट पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज हियर and this is plus Q and this is negative 3Q, then there will be 2 point P either here, that means this is 0.25, our P will be at here and this distance is 0.5 meter. This will be 2 point P and P dash where potential is, sum of potential is 0 due to these two charges. Here question is a charged particle of mass 1 kg and charge Q equals 2 microcoulomb is thrown from a horizontal ground at an angle of 45 degree. Let your figure is like this. This is 45 degree and this is U. With speed 20 meter per second. This is given 20 meter per second. In space, horizontal electric field. That means this is horizontal electric field. Electric field E equals 2 into 10 to the power 7 volt per meter exists. Find the range on the horizontal ground of the projectile thrown. That means you have to find the range of this particle due to this electric field. तो हम लोग इसको फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Here question, a charged particle of mass 1 kg and charge Q equals 2 microcoulomb is thrown from a horizontal ground at an angle of theta equals 45 degree with a speed 20 meter per second. In space, horizontal electric field E equals 2 into 10 to the power 7 volt per meter exists. Find the range on the horizontal ground of the projectile thrown. Here, particle is this one, a charged particle. Charge is 2 microcoulomb and here angle is 45 degree given and U is 20 meter per second. Electric field is in horizontal direction. Here, according to question, time of flight T is equals to, you can write 2 Uy by AY. That means acceleration along y direction. Here 2 Uy, that means you can say here 2 and velocity is here given, this is 20 meter, and this will be in horizontal direction. That means you have to write cos theta. Here horizontal velocity is here u cos theta, and vertical direction velocity is here u sin theta. That means 220 cos 45 divided by ay, acceleration. Here acceleration is equals to, this is acceleration is g, that means 10. Here the path of particle will be parabola, but along the x-axis also motion of the particle will be accelerated. So time of flight of the projectile will be 2uy by ay. Here 2uy 20 cos 45 and this is ay is 10, that means g, this is g. Let g equals to 10 meter per second square. So this is, and after solving this you will get, this is 4 and cos 45 1 by, this is root 2, this is 2, that means 2 root 2 second is your time of flight. This is the time of flight. Now horizontal range r is equal to ux t plus, this is half ax t square, half ax t square. Here ax is acceleration along x direction, and this is here force F by m, and force is here QE divided by here m. Charge is given here, charge is 2 microcoulomb, that means 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, and here electric field is given 2 into 10 to the power 7. This is electric field, and mass is given here 1 kg, that means this is 1. After solving this, this will be cancelled, that means 10 to the power 1, and this is 4 into 10 to the power 1. This is 4 into 10 to the power 1, that means this is 40 meter per second square is acceleration ax. Now put this value here, you will get, that means r is equals to ux is u cos theta, that means 20 cos 45. This is 20 cos 45. Time is here 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2 plus half ax. Ax is 40, and here time is again 2 root 2 and whole square. After solving this, you will get, this is cos 45, that means 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, root 2, root 2 cancel, that means this is 40, and this is here again, that means this is 4, that means 8, 2, that means 4, that means this is 160, this is 160, that means total range will be here 200 meter.